To fight a big fish, we do not use brute strength like in a tug of war. We make use of the drag, which creates resistance when the fish pull the line out of the spool. This resistance will tire the fish out eventually, and you'll be able to reel the fish in. In this episode, let's look at some of the critical points that you have to take note of while fighting a big one.
Meter by meter.
The golden rule: your line must always be in tension. At any moment when your line goes slack, there is a much higher chance for you to lose the fish. To maintain the line in tension, you will have to pull the fish towards you using the rod strength. A common mistake is to reel the fish back using the reel cranking power. The reel strength is sufficient for reeling small fish, but for a bigger fish, it will be a struggle. After you pull the fish towards you using your rod, lower the rod down and at the same time reel in the excess line. This is when most anglers create the slack line. The speed of reeling in the line has to be fast enough to catch up with the speed of you lowering the rod to maintain constant tension in the line. Another trick is when you get tired, you can use your body weight as leverage. Pull like this and use your body weight to pull the fish back. You lean back, so you're using part of the body weight to pull the fish back.
Okay.
You see, when fish try to rush underneath the boat, you have to maintain the bend of your rod, right? A C shape. So when you rush underneath, you need to point the rod, dip your rod into the water. Otherwise, with these few techniques, you should be able to handle most situations to land your trophy catch. Even if you do everything right, there might still be a slight chance the fish will go free. In our next episode, we'll show you how to release a fish to ensure a higher chance of its survival. Subscribe and stay tuned to our video channel for more fishing tutorials. Good luck and tight lines. The most important thing is 要 land 欸。所以，哦嘘，
哇，这个衰啊，这个。
我的。